Take command of the road in the 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 90,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.